my goodness. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Welcome to Leyte. What is this place? Good morning in the morning. This way. We are back at the bridge because I just want to fly the drone.
12 seconds later.
Guess who is not allowed to fly the drone? Me. No drone footage, but at least you have a sign. Welcome to San Juanico Bridge, right? So we go the other side. Bye-bye bridge. So we are driving half an hour to Tabaco City. Let's check the map. Half an hour and 16 kilometers now. Because I want to go to a pretty historical place. That's why we stopped there. Tacloban. My goodness. What's wrong with me? Brain. Okay, not Tabaco City, Tacloban. So we're driving 16 kilometers to Tacloban, half an hour. Alright, welcome to city traffic. Again. Gustavus, Adolphus, Ibera et Ibera, Acernus, and Dingens, Angustam per Angustam. Once again, welcome to Leyte. I don't have that much stops in Leyte. I guess I will drive through Leyte in maybe a couple of days to reach Surigao, and then we're on the last island of my Philippine loop. Wow, can you imagine? I'm almost done. Crazy. Let the body set the floor. Let the body set the floor. Something's got to give. Leaving Tacloban. I'm not leaving Tacloban. I'm not leaving Tacloban. Am I leaving Tacloban? Google Maps? What are you doing? Nice. This is the first monument of MacArthur. There we are. I want to park somewhere. Maybe here. Parking. Alright, looks like I have an unlucky day again, starting with not allowing to fly the drone. Oh no, starting actually with ordered a hot Spanish latte and got a cold one. It continues. Okay, don't expect anything from this day, but I will tell you something anyways about that place. So I'm sitting here at the Memorial Park of MacArthur, and his return, his landing to the Philippines as a memorial of the liberation of the Philippines in World War II. So a little bit of a historical background now. During the World War II, the Philippines was occupied by Japan, and an American military officer, MacArthur, had to leave the Philippines in 1942, but he promised with the words or with the sentence, "I shall return," that he will come back to the Philippines. And he kept his promise. He came back in October 1944 to fight against the Japanese and for the Philippine liberation. His landing also caused the Battle of Leyte Gulf, which helped the Allies to win the war, and it was the biggest sea battle in World War II. At the end, Philippines was free, Japan wasn't occupying Philippines anymore, and just with the help of MacArthur, it made it happen. And guys, I'm so sorry, it would be so easy to explain it in German, but I really struggle to explain something in English. Like a historical place, cannot explain in English at all. So, here's actually the entrance to the MacArthur Memorial Park, but I cannot go in. It's under construction. Let's go again. Whoop! Let's go back. Where's my phone? All right, I'm ready to go. So we will just drive now to the, I don't know where. We will just go south. And let's see if we can drive all the way to the south parts. Probably yes, but I wanna grab breakfast first or lunch. All right, let's stop first at the 7-Eleven. I didn't see a 7-Eleven for a long time actually. I have a lot of nuts and protein bars and everything I need. And now we will continue going south. Okay, let's go! Spaceman, I'm raving like a maniac. Spaceman, going round in our back. The universe is down for a ring attack. Viva la Elton John, pam pam padalalam pam padalalam pam padalalam. Viva la Elton John, boom 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 boom. So many rivers here. That's so funny that the tricycle is just driving in the middle of the road, so no car can pass on the left or right side. Do you know what I haven't seen for a long time? Somebody selling buko juice on the road. Wow, I cannot even remember when was the last time I saw it on the road. Probably in Bicol. Oof. Nice. Driving only one now. Got me down to my grave. Leaving Dula. I am Optimus Prime. Raining a little bit. Where is the rainbow? Sun is shining and it's raining. Where is the rainbow? Okay, let me clean you guys, huh? I hope you're clean again. It doesn't seem like it's raining that much, but seems like I just don't feel it. I guess now it's the perfect time to search for a coffee place and for breakfast. Oopa! Alright, kind of stopped raining, but I think it will rain again. Let's see. Coffee closed. So if they have a McDonald's here, they have to have a cafe as well, right? And breakfast, coffee shop. Oh, there is a coffee shop, my goodness. Coffee. After 3 hours, it stopped to rain. I mean, it's still raining a little bit, but sun is up again, like before actually. And now we continue 3 hours later. Man, I could already be in Liloan in Leyte. Okay, I guess it's time for a picture here. Look at this. Wow, look how beautiful it is. Crazy! Wow, wow, wow! Wow, that's amazing. Welcome to Leyte, my friends. Welcome to Leyte. Huh. Isn't it super pretty that the clouds are still here covering the mountain? Super pretty. Wow. Nice. I want to go there. How can I go there? All right. Let's see. We're just driving somewhere now. That's the only road I could find to go left. So we go left to see if it's that beautiful as the view before. Hopefully. Looks super adorable already. Hello. A bull. Wow, look at this. Look at this palm tree paradise. My goodness. My goodness. Wow. Wow. Okay, we stop here for a while. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. My goodness. Let's see if we can drive further. Wow. Wow. Okay, the day started unlucky, but wow. Look at this landscape. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Wow, 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 wow. I cannot even find words anymore. There is a road between the river. How beautiful. Wow. Holy shit! Oh. Can somebody pinch me? Look at this. What? Crazy how beautiful it is here. parking. Hello. I wonder if they know that they're actually living in paradise. Alrighty, let's go. There we go again. And I will probably stop again for some pictures because it's so beautiful everywhere. Pam pam. Yeah. So sometimes you just have to trust your intuition, right? Trust your intuition, guys. Trust your intuition. Pa 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 pa. We stop again for pictures and here. One last view, one last look, one last, I don't know how you call it, man. Man, it's absolutely gorgeous. There we go. Wow. My goodness, that's so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Welcome to Leyte again. Wow. Okay, if I'm really honest with you, I don't have to see more in Leyte. Like, wow. I'm so flashed right now that it cannot be better. So, actually, for me, just to see this is amazing. I will try to put the location in the video, so if you're interested, if you are ever interested to go here, so I will not put it in the video, but I will put it in the description below, okay? So it's not disturbing anybody else who doesn't want to see it, but man, honestly, who doesn't want to see it? Really? I'm so happy how one spot can change my mood and the whole day. Like, really, look at this. Okay, wow. I am so hyped right now. I am so hyped. And now curves are coming and it's not raining. Wow, what a perfect end of the day, really. Focus, Lucy, focus. Wow, it's so beautiful, it's so beautiful. What a landscape. What is this place? Wow, it looks so mystical. A lot of rivers everywhere. Look at this. Wow. Wow, what? sunlight makes everything much more beautiful. It's just straight. Alright. I'm not sure where I am, but I have a mission because I want to sleep somewhere where I can see the clouds in the morning. Like to have a view above the clouds. That's my mission. And let's see if I can find a place to stay here. Yep. Imagine you see the clouds like there everywhere and the sunset later. Hello, horse. I'm not bothering you, sorry. Incredible cafe. Closed. Wow, look at this view. I think there are rooms up there. Up, back. Come on, Lucy. Strong legs. Alright, I will come later to see the sunset. I really hope they have a room left. I really hope so. Oh. Hello, good afternoon. I just wanted to ask if you have a room left for one night. How much is it? 1.5? Can I see the room? This day turned out to be so beautiful. Look, I'm shining because of this beautiful sunset. But yeah, I have a beer to end this day. And I will end this video for today. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed, and I hope you liked this video. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, or thank you for subscribing, and see you in the next video.